Hi guys, this is Alan from Hirose Financial. How are you today? In the previous videos, I've been teaching you how to trade and what is the good timing to trade. But then as you know, in the forex market, the price moves all the time, and there are times that it is good for us to trade, and there are times that it's bad for us to trade. And so for today, I just want to explain it to you the scenario for you to avoid to enter the market. There are few cases, but basically they are based on the same reason. We'll take a look at the chart one by one, and then we will see at when you should not trade. Just take a look at the chart here. You see in here we have a really big gap in the candlestick here. When you see a price movement like this, it means that the price is not stable, it's really volatile. There are a lot of sudden movement in this chart here, and then if we trade with a chart like this, there is no way for us to predict which direction the price is gonna move next. If you see a big gap like this, we do not trade. Next, the second scenario is that if you see these flat lines, the flat lines here, that means that the price is not stable as well. So you see, when there is a flat line comes out, the price actually jumps up suddenly, and then when the price is like this, it's really hard to predict. And I do not suggest you to trade in the price movements like this as well. These are two scenarios. You do not trade when there is big gap, and you do not trade when there's no body, like the candlestick does not have any body, only a flat line there. You do not trade when the chart behave like this. Okay, we take a look at different currency pairs, and then we'll take a look at other scenarios. In here you see again there are gaps, there are lines, and then these are the indication of a unstable price movement. We will not trade here because there's no way for us to predict which way the price is gonna move next. And the next scenario is that just let me try to look for a better example for you. That's really similar to the one I explained just now. Yep. There are gaps, there are lines, and then just try. I do actually need to. Okay, so here's one. Now you see, I do not suggest you to trade when you see candlestick behave like this. You see the candlesticks here that this doesn't have any shadow, so it's just a full body candlestick. So it just move. That means that the price is actually really strong, and then it's very volatile. So if I need to sum it up, so you see here. If you see long candlestick body with no shadow, if you see candlestick like this, we do not trade when the price behave like this, because the price is very volatile. When I decide whether I want to trade in this currency or this time frame, is I just need to decide. I just need to observe to see whether the price is volatile. So if the price is volatile, it's actually really hard for us to predict the next movement. The scenarios that I explained just now is all when the price is volatile. So keep that in mind. So if you see a candlestick like this, we do not trade. So what do we do next? We can actually browse on different currency pairs and just to on different time frames. So just to see whether there is a better movement. Now I changed to a 1 minute chart. Just to try to see whether the 1 minute chart is suitable for trading. You see, as I mentioned just now, I see a lot of full body candlesticks here, and then that means and a lot of long shadows. So that's another indication of a unstable price movement. So we will not trade when the price behave like this. We'll take a look at other currency pairs. So maybe perhaps other currency pairs have a better movement. So let's take a look. So again, long candlestick, long shadow, and then that is not really a really good indication for us to enter the markets. So take a look at this one here, extremely long candlestick, so we'll avoid this one immediately when we see this kind of movement. So okay, this one looks okay. So yep, this one is actually what we want to trade with. So you see the candlestick here develop really gradually. So just except for this part here is it does have a sudden movement, but sometimes we just can't avoid that. So this is actually the candlestick movement that we want to trade with. So we want to trade with a really gradual developing candlestick, so it's actually easier for us to predict the next movement when the candlestick behave like this. So now, well, if I need to summarize it now, so the timing for you to enter the market just without any technical indicators, so you can take a look at the candlestick movement. If the candlestick is developing gradually, then it indicates that it might be a good timing for you to enter the market. So, but then on the other hand, if you see a lot of flat lines and those candlesticks without any body, then that is not a good timing for you to enter the market. Or if you see a really long full candle without full candle, full body candlestick without any shadow, that is not a good timing for you to enter the market as well. So just put it in a simpler term, if you see a lot of sudden movement, that is not a good timing for you to enter the market. So keep that in mind when to enter the market, when not to enter the market. So that's the thing for you to keep in mind when you first log into the platform. So you just need to browse on different currency pairs and just to compare which one you should trade with and which one you should avoid. And then if you run out of option on a particular time frame, just try to move on to other time frames to try to look for other purchase chance. So well, that's it for today. I'm not making any trade today because overall the market is not really stable, so I just try to avoid trading so that I can avoid making any losses. So well, that's it for today. And well, if you do have any question on when to trade, when not to trade, feel free to put a comment down there, and then well, I can get back to you with a detailed answer for you. So well, that's pretty much for today, and don't forget tomorrow is the Forex Corner. So if you are interested in Forex trading, follow my video tomorrow, and then we will talk about more on detail on Forex trading. So yep, that's it for today. If you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video, and I will see you soon again tomorrow. Bye!